Okay, we're out of camera range. You know what to do.
Hey, farmer!
Time to plow the fields.
Looks like you've run out of airspace, Crop Hopper.
Skipper?
Dusty, pull up!
Whoa! Skipper, you're flying!
Oh, you noticed? Listen, I got Rip. You take care of the other two.
Got it!
They're on your six, kid. You gotta lose them.
I'm trying! Skip, I can't shake him!
Pull hard right. I'll break left and take out Rip. Use the rocks.
What? Yeah!
Oh, it's gonna leave a mark.
What? Say hello to the Warsaw Windmill.
Look, you're dragging!
That's right. Dusty, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
That was pretty good for a crop duster.
And not bad for an old-timer who doesn't fly.
Oh, yeah? Well, I may be old, but at least I ain't afraid of heights.
Oh, okay. Oh, no!